Oh my God.
When you were younger, you didn't see what you do now. But now you're older, you've
Kailangan mo po ng gunting, sir? Oh my God.
Sama dito ka.
Basa na ang flag ng Pilipinas. Oh my God. Ay, ganun.
Papa natin yung baba.
I-doble-doble na lang natin. Itanggang dyan lang kasi may andun ako sa pinakalas doon ng papo. Nakita mo? Doon. Hanggang doon sa may papo dyan. Tapos pababa. Or padoblan ng tangpakas dahil.
Doble lang.
Wala pala tayong ketchup. Hindi ko alam na wala na tayong ketchup.
Puro mga ano yung may nawawala kang gamit, may alam mo na. Nasa ibang apart. Di ba susunog yun?
I'm doing some shoeing. I'm doing some shoe work here.
Yeah.
Ate, nasunog
And
na
I
pa.
have to shoot 2 flies.
Saan yung binili? Ganda, no?
Hindi ko alam kayo.
But I have another name.
Puro wings naman kasi.
Subscribe?
Well, I have another name.
Walmart lang ata to.
His name is Miss
Ganda, no?
Shoe Baby.
Yan lang naman kasi meron kaming manok.
Baba na ng presyo, pati itlog eh.
I have to shoot
Talaga ba? Hindi pa kami bumibili
Yung
ng...
60 pieces, $6 na lang.
Ang itlog?
Oo.
Talaga?
Di ba, binibili namin yung 18 to $20 eh. Ngayon, $6 na lang.
Saan?
Sa Walmart.
Talaga?
Kakabili lang namin this week.
Try to buy. Eh, hindi ka gaya dati nung umabot pa ng 5, di ba? 7.
Oo, yung ano pre, yung 60 pieces, mabot ng 18. Mabot ng 18 yun. Nakabili kami ng mga 2 beses ng 18 nun. Nag-20
Hindi
pa.
na kami masyado bumibili ng itlog nun eh. Kasi hindi naman kami matakaw sa itlog.
Kami malakas kami sa ito.
Go, go, go!
Okay ba? Alright, go.
Who is your enemy?
Okay?
I want to do that. See, that was good.
That was good.
And we have to get ready for the tomorrow's party.
If I could tell you I would honestly, no secrets between us. Just honestly, even if it hurts, even if it's just a I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for ignorance of mine. Imagination, don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? One step is two steps too much. Gotta be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay the way. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? Now I can only see you in my mind. You'll be gone in the morning, goodbye. But my one final wish is tonight, just for tonight. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like you.